Okay, there's a couple other problems that are like this that you might want to consider trying and checking your answers in the back just to see that you've got it. We're doing a sampling of problems, not all of the problems. But if ST is 15, and we see that that's this right here, this is 15, and RT is 40, it's the entire segment there, is 40. Let me just highlight the pink segment here. Okay, then what is RS? Well, just like the segment addition postulate says that the two smaller segments can add together as long as they're collinear and they share that same endpoint of S. This plus this equals 40. And watch what we do if I write this mathematically out. We can say X, let's say the value of RS plus 15, we know the segment addition postulate says that's got to be equal to 40. So then essentially what happens is we can say, well, let's take away the part that is ST, and what you get is, instead of solving this directly, I'm just going to write, you get 40 minus 15. And what's going on there is what you're saying is if you take the entire segment from R to T and you take away the portion that is ST, you will be left with the portion that is RS, and specifically the length of it, which is 25. So then we have RS equaling 25. That's the answer. And the way that I could write it is actually, I'll write it like this. RS, which really, since we don't have the bar over it, the bar over it would say we're talking about segment RS, but what we're really doing right now without the bar is we're saying we're talking about the length of that segment. The length from R to S is equal to 15.